Hey everyone, in this video I will give you a comparison on Roo Code and Windsurf in 2025. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. Roo Code is an open source extension for Visual Studio Code work directly in your familiar environment. Act as an autonomous coding agent that can communicate in natural language, write files directly in your workspace, and run terminal command. It is specialized in modes like code mode, architect mode, debug mode, allows the creation of custom personas for tasks like security, auditing, or documentation. New features in 3.14 prompt coaching, support for Gemini, improved editing tools, and many more. On the other hand, Windsurf is a standalone AI native integrated development environment IDE available on Mac, Windows, and Linux. It combines AI agents and co-pilots for real-time collaboration with developers, offer deep contextual awareness, allowing the AI to run on production code basis and offer relevant suggestions. It's designed to enhance developer productivity by keeping them in a flow state, minimizing disruption. So which one you should choose? If you prefer working with VS Code and want a highly customizable AI assistant that adapts to various roles and tasks, Roo Code is a great option. And if you are looking for a more integrated and collaborative development environment that minimizes interruptions, Windsurf might be a better fit. That's it.